From client dinners to employee lunches, discover the tax benefits of your business meal. Navigating the tax impacts of business meals can really be complex, yet it's crucial for any businesses aiming to optimize its expenses and stay compliant with tax regulations. Whether you're entertaining clients, collaborating with vendors, conducting meetings with employees, or traveling for business, understanding what can be excluded or what can be deducted and how to document those expenses is key. In this video, we'll explore how the specifics of deductibles and meals expenses, providing a really comprehensive guide for businesses to manage their taxes effectively. My name is Jacob Curtis. I'm a CPA, a certified first professional, and a business coach. I started Curtis Accounting Solutions to remove the stress of doing the bookkeeping, the payroll, and taxes, and provide practical business advice that helps e-commerce businesses and stores piece together financial freedom. I'd love to hear your thoughts and questions on today's episode, so please leave a comment below and remember to like, share, and subscribe. The IRS allows businesses to deduct 50% or even 100% of meal expenses if they meet specific requirements. Now, these meals must be ordinary and necessary and directly related to or associated with the active conduct of your business. And meals provided to employees, clients, or vendors can often fall into this category, but understanding the nuances of these deductions is essential for proper tax compliance. According to the IRS, to qualify for a meal deduction, the expense must be an ordinary necessary expense in your business, not lavish or extravagant under the circumstances, and provided to a current or potential business customer, client, consultant, or employee, or similar business contact. Let's start with businesses with customers. Meals with customers are often business expenses. They can help build relationships, close deals, and foster long-term partnerships. However, ensuring these meals meet the IRS requirements and be deductible is crucial. And note that these meals with customers are only 50% deductible. Proper documentation is vital. Ensure that you record the amount of each expense, the date and place of the meal, the business purpose, and the names and business relationships of those attending. Meals with employees can also be deductible under certain conditions. Meals that are 50% deductible include meals provided during employee meetings or training sessions and office snacks and coffee in the break room. 100% deductible meals include meals provided to employees for the employer's convenience, such as holiday parties and team building activities. The tax implications of team building activities, you need to ensure that you have your registration receipts if you're going somewhere, any itinerary or agenda for the event, and have clear documentation of those expenses and the participants. So when you're documenting these, you want to make sure that you have the total expense documented, the date, location, the business purpose, and names of all the employees that are present. Deducting meals while you travel is another common one. The IRS allows you to deduct 50% of your meal expenses incurred while traveling away from home that are for business purposes. For travel meals to be deductible, the travel must be away from your tax home, the city or general area where your main place of business is located. Be substantially longer than an ordinary day of work, requiring you to sleep or rest or something. When you're documenting these, again, you've got to make sure to note the total expense, the date, location, the purpose, and the travel itinerary. Now, meals at conferences and seminars. If meals are provided as part of the conference or seminar, you do not need to break out the registration fee between those meals and the registration fee. You can keep that all under one umbrella under the registration fee, which is then 100% deductible. But if it's not included, then you want to make sure you have the registration receipts, the itinerary or agenda for the events, and proof that the meals were included in the registration. Make sure you have the brochure or flyer or invoice, something like that. Common mistakes while deducting these meals, there are quite a few of them, and so adhering to the IRS regulations is crucial to avoid penalties and having these deductions disallowed to ensure that you have valid deductions. So keeping detailed records and understanding these specific rules can really help maintain your compliance. Common errors include failing to keep adequate records, misclassifying meals, and attempting to deduct non-deductible expenses. Avoid these pitfalls by maintaining your thorough documentation process and understanding the guidelines. The best practices for tracking meals include such things as using expense tracking software, keeping receipts, and documenting the business purpose for each meal can really streamline the business and make sure that that's part of the process for you. future trends in business meals, and a lot of this have increased to the remote work and virtual meetings, and that is going to have an impact on how the IRS and businesses handle meal deductions in the future. So stay aware of these trends can help you adapt and ensure your business continues to optimize for its expenses. Understanding and managing the tax implications of business meals can significantly impact your business's health. By adhering to the IRS guidelines and maintaining thorough documentation, you can ensure compliance and maximize your deductions. Stay informed about tax changes and use strategic planning to optimize your meal expense and deductions. If you've got questions or need assistance with managing your company's finances, don't hesitate to reach out. We're here to help you piece together financial freedom. If you need anything, please schedule a call by scanning the QR code on the screen or by going to jacobcurtiscpa.com/5-strategies-calendar to get started. And remember to follow me, Jacob Curtis, CPA, and Curtis Accounting Solutions on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and YouTube. Thanks for watching, and we'll talk to you soon.